The scene opens in a bustling office. A group of co-workers gathers around a table as Jen, a software developer, stands at the front, ready to present. Jen, all right, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of JavaScript. Now, who here has heard of JavaScript before? A few hands tentatively raise. Jen, great. For those who haven't, let's start with the basics. JavaScript is a versatile programming language used primarily for web development. It's what makes websites interactive and dynamic. Jen moves to a whiteboard, picking up a marker as she begins to illustrate. Jen, think of JavaScript as the glue that binds together the various elements of a web page. It allows us to manipulate HTML and CSS, the building blocks of web content, in real time. She draws a simple web page structure on the whiteboard, labeling each section, HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Jen, with JavaScript, we can respond to user actions like clicks, scrolls, and keystrokes. This interactivity is what sets JavaScript apart from its counterparts. Jen draws arrows from the JavaScript section to various elements on the web page, illustrating how JavaScript can interact with different parts of the page. The co-workers nod in understanding as Jen continues her explanation. Jen, now, let's talk about what we can do with JavaScript. The possibilities are virtually endless, but here are a few examples. Dynamic content. We can update content on a web page without needing to reload the entire page. This is often seen in news tickers, live chat features, or social media feeds. Form validation. JavaScript can validate user input in real time, ensuring that the data entered into forms meet specific criteria before submission. Animations and effects. JavaScript can bring life to a web page with animations, transitions, and other visual effects. This enhances user experience and engagement. API integration. We can connect our web applications to external APIs, application programming interfaces, to fetch data or perform specific actions, such as retrieving weather information or accessing user data from social media platforms. Browser manipulation. JavaScript can manipulate the browser itself, allowing us to control browser behavior, manage cookies, and handle navigation events. Jen pauses, looking around at her attentive audience. Jen, so, in summary, JavaScript is a powerful tool for web development, enabling us to create dynamic, interactive, and engaging experiences for users. Whether it's updating content on the fly, validating form inputs, adding animations, integrating with external services, or manipulating the browser itself, JavaScript empowers us to build rich and immersive web applications. The co-workers break into applause as Jen smiles, satisfied with her presentation.